The popcorn maker with measuring cup is an efficient and convenient way to enjoy freshly popped popcorn at home. The machine features a built-in measuring cup to ensure that you always portion the right amount of popcorn kernels, and it also includes a convenient space to melt butter. With an 8-cup capacity, this popcorn maker can provide plenty of popcorn for a small family or a movie night with friends. The sleek white design will fit nicely on any countertop and is also easy to clean. The popcorn maker is incredibly easy to use. Simply add the kernels to the machine, melt the butter in the designated space, and turn on the machine. In just a few minutes, you will have a delicious and healthy snack ready to enjoy. Overall, the popcorn maker with measuring cup is an excellent investment for anyone who loves popcorn and wants to enjoy it in the comfort of their own home.